Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do, or what you could do, or what you might not do, or whatever, with your instant noodles. So, today we've got another one from Malaysia. This is Red Chef Pandan White Curry Pandan White Curry Noodle. From Penang. I should say that. It is certainly from the Wonderland, which is Penang. Scissors. So let's see here. Let's make this happen. Haven't had this one in a while. I thought I'd give it another go. We got 1, 2, 3 sachets for you. Yeah, so we cook the noodle for 3 minutes, add everything, stir it up, and you're good to go. So I and my wife, bam, 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 bam. We went to, we were invited to Penang, 2015. And got to try this stuff called Penang White Curry, which I'd had before. And we went to this place called, what was it? Hot Bowl Nyonya Delights. Nyonya is a fusion of Chinese, Malaysian, and Indian cooking. It's just like the great melange, as I like to call it. It's like, but the way the confluence of these three is just absolutely intense. Just all the flavor and nuance of all those food cultures come together in Penang, which is known as the pearl of food culture in Southeast Asia. Yeah, if you like exotic food, that's the place for you. Also Taiwan. Also, Thailand, more of their stuff is more just Thai, but their food is amazing. The stuff we get here, there's some places that are really tasty, but as far as authenticity, But I will say, God, just the sheer amount of food there. I mean, that's like, what do you do? Oh, I make food. It's either I think pretty much you either have a hawker stall in Penang, or you work for like, God, who is it? Like Hitachi, Toshiba, banking. I think that's about it. Either you make stuff for computers or you make food, and I'm sure there's more things people do, but I swear those are really important things to do. I'm thankful to the people of Penang for doing those. I hope I get to go back someday. That would be really, really groovy. I want my kids to see Asia. It's so much nicer. Oh man. But yeah, what's going on today? Gonna get this done, and then we're gonna take my daughter to the bus, and I think I may be going out for a stomp on the town. Our crazy, insane, incoherent graffiti artist struck again. So this guy like writes people's names, says this one guy is killing these other people, talks about gang stalking. I think he thinks he's under surveillance. I guess he is. I'm like checking out everything he does on the wall, and I take lots of pictures of it. So I was like, he writes all these names, and I'm like trying to look them up on Facebook. It's like nothing. But he's really good at misspelling. So I don't know. I'm kind of thinking maybe this guy's just a little too weird for prime time. But here is our noodle. Now it's gonna get intense. Here's our noodle, and this is our paste. Yes, indeed. And it is thick. I should have put this on the stove next to it so it would all come out easier. You gotta, if you need the paste, gotta need the paste. Makes it come out way better. I used to put stuff like this in my pocket and just let it sit for a little while, and then it comes out much easier. But I know a lot of people really like white curry, so I like white curry, that's for sure. Alright. That is pasty, tasty, pasty. And it's thick, and it's oily, and sludgy, and holy. So right now it doesn't look very white. But it will in a moment, because there's two ways you can do this stuff up. These guys use non-dairy creamer. That gives it the white color and a little bit of added creaminess. The other way to do it is to use coconut milk powder, which honestly I prefer. It gives that little bit of extra oomph. However, it's understandable. A lot of companies don't go that route because that stuff is expensive. Even over there where coconuts are like all over the place. This is the creamer. The last one was just the powder base. Now we have like this flavor monstrosity of wonder and happiness. So this is a Pandan white curry, and Pandan, if you go get bubble tea, you might see they have Pandan waffle there. It's green, and it's kind of a nutty flavored. I believe it's a leaf, Pandan leaf, and yeah, there is our white curry noodle. So let's give this a go. And the broth, very deep color. Wow. Huh. Okay. That is freaking good. I wonder if they've changed their recipe, because that's like, I remember the last time I had it, I wasn't definitely feeling that feeling that I'm feeling right now. Interesting. Alright, let's get front and center on this stuff. How about that? A little bit more. A little bit more. Right about there. Okay, first off, we need the egg. Come on, Dr. Egg. I think usually standard for this is just a very hard-boiled egg, but I don't really do those anymore. I mainly just do the softies, and I like doing nice looking softies. Come on, right there, right there. Look at that, well behaved. Really picky about good egg behavior. And of course, fishbone. Roll them a little bit to get the color. These are shrimp. These are Dodo brand fish and shrimp balls. These are like my favorite. These come from Singapore. Excellent stuff. You can get them in the States, obviously. They're just made in Singapore. Tofu. I'm really bummed though. No tofu puff that I could find anywhere. And I guess I got some firm tofu to make it, and then I realized, oh wait, we tried doing that once and it didn't work out so well. Maybe that's what I need, is to figure out how to make perfect tofu puff. That would be really, really good. Then I could make an instructional video. It's like when I learn how to do stuff, I like to share it. A little bit of that color on there. Usually you end up with like a sprig, like one sprig of, yeah. I like to do a little extra. Here is some mint. And finally, I've got this little combo I've been using today of spring onion and red peppers. Let's try the that, and a little bit of seeds and a little bit of pepper flake. And there she be. That's wondrous, wondrous stuff right there. That's it for me today. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.